Hey everybody, welcome to another quick unboxing. As I mentioned before, I've been out there looking for a headset that's going to do both chat and Bluetooth simultaneously. That way I can have something for my Steam Deck while using Discord on my phone and also being able to attach it to other devices as well. Also want something that's comfortable and had a microphone because the complaints I've had recently about some of the other products I've tried out that you've seen is the microphone. So I broke down and got a brand I've never used before, SteelSeries. A brand that I know is highly recommended, that I do recommend to people at work, but I have not used myself. So here's the Arctis Nova 7. Ironically, last night a friend of mine also got the 7X for his Xbox. So we'll see how that goes. He'll let me know what he thinks about that. But for now, let's look at the 7. I did already break this open. That way we don't run into another one of those issues again to where I can't actually open it and I battle with it. So let's take a look here and see what we have. As you can see here at the bottom, this is a fully wireless. It comes with this USB-C dongle. Works on the PC, PlayStation, Switch, and mobile. I would assume you can also use it on an Xbox. And when you open it, apparently have this little foldable Lars. I'm not exactly sure what this is or who this is, but I'll probably give this to my kids. And in the top, here we go. Let's take a quick look. In here, I'm going to assume, yep, is the headset. And the headset is actually, I believe this is actually metal. Let's break off this cardboard here and take a look at it. Let's see if we can get all these pieces out of here. Dog's moving around. She doesn't move until I try to do something. It's basically how it works. And then looks like we have our volume, USB-C on this side. And then, no, that's volume. Oh, this is switching between chat and game mode. You have your Bluetooth, and power button, my bad. Game and chat, USB-C charge. Looks like they have an auxiliary port here, as most things should have. Volume and a mute button. It looks like they put a little piece of paper in there to protect the microphone, which does move out. Slide in. This is another thing I wanted. I don't want these. I want the microphone to even come off or be hidden. I preferred coming off, but hidden is probably better because then I won't lose it. And then let's see what we have here. Important. Download the chat mix for PC only to enable PC chat mix 7.1 surround and next level EQ. All right. I'll look into that later. I'll try that tonight during raid. This is the reason I wanted to get this. I do actually have raid tonight. Dragonflight starts. I'll be streaming that on Twitch. And it looks like I've never had one like this. Looks like there are some size options here. Got your right and left are indicated here at the top. Looks like right here you can change that. And let's see what we have here. I did get the warranty on this, as I always do. It's just my luck. Definitely see this is plastic here, and this is metal. So if it's going to break, it's going to be here more than likely. Okay, let's see what else we have in the box. Open this for glory. Okay. All right, so Arctis Nova 7 wireless product information guide. More than likely the app will do all I need for that. I believe there is an app for this. And we have 3 different cables. Now this does retail for $179. Auxiliary port. So that's going to do all your auxiliary, because you can see here it has all 3 of the grounds on it. Then we have what I would assume be, oh, it's actually an extender. So I can adapt something I actually need for my desk setup, because I actually use my USB-C display port to display port so I can get G-Sync. And then here is the actual charge cable, which means I can actually do an extra long charge if I need to. More than likely I'll be using the other way around. And then the adapter. Now I do have a concern that unlike the Soundcores I reviewed not too long ago, oh, there's a button, must be for changing channels or resyncing, is where do I put this when I'm not using it? More than likely I'll probably just put it here if I'm carrying it around. But considering all it comes with is this little bag, I'm not sure where I'm going to keep it. And that looks like that is it. There's nothing else in here, guys. So let's go back and look at the headset one more time before I turn everything off. Again, around here you have your extender, your charger, and your auxiliary cord. And then you have your adapter, which again I'm very concerned to lose because of not knowing where I'm going to put it. Again, closer look. SteelSeries logo. Again, microphone, which comes out. Obviously, this is brand new, so it's going to just pop right up. And I'm sure it stays like that when it sits in there longer periods of time, which it will do a lot with mine. If I remember correctly, when I would look at it, it does mute if you put it in automatically. I'm not sure. It'd be nice if it still works like this. That would be kind of cool feature and you use it for other Bluetooth. It does have Bluetooth 5, which is one of the reasons I chose this one. Because there were other options like the older Arctis 7, not the Nova 7. And there was another one, but it had Bluetooth 4.2. I want to go with the 5 just in case. I mean, why go with older tech if there's the equivalent options? Let's take a look at the pads here. Again, closer inside. Left logo. Sorry about that. Hit the camera. Right. Again, you can change it here. This is an elastic band. As you can see here, like I said, this is metal. Some type of soft padding there. I also want something comfortable. I don't want something that goes over my head. This is my biggest issue with this, and I don't know how long I'll end up sticking with it. I probably will end up staying with it because I've always had overhead ones, but I really want someone to make something good for buds for gaming that actually has a somewhat decent microphone. That way I don't have to wear these things on my head. All right. Again, thanks everyone for checking out. Let's not forget Lars here. Again, this is the Nova 7. They sell for $179, brand new right now. There could be some sales, but this is all I've seen. And again, every year the SteelSeries tends to be one of the highest rated and best built. But again, I'm worried about, they talk about this build quality right here, but that's not where I'm worried about because that's not where you do your adjustments. You do your adjustments here, and that's just plastic. All right, guys. Thank you very much. Again, take care of yourself, take care of others, live and let live, and see you next time.